Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, September 27th, 2021, about 5:30 a.m. Uh, Refer to yesterday's video for the forecast. I did the Astro Excel overlay for the week. I had roadmap along with the Cosmonine. We got this high that I was looking for on the overnight. You can see when the blue line peaked here, then the green line bumped. We came in sync with the Vedic chart, which I'm going to pull up here now for you. Here's the Vedic chart. We got that high right here in the boxes that I had drawn with the blue line. Right at the end of that white window, we got the peak. And notice how also the B1, B2 zones transition from red to green. That's also an important timing indicator. So we hit this exactly as we had expected. Our projection was for a high for the 26th, so we'll see if this high holds. It's possible that we do make a new high later in this session, but the more likely outcome was to get the high early this morning where it came in. So we don't have any timing windows during the day session. The next important timing window comes tonight at about little after 2100, so there's nothing else taking place today. Moving back to the Astro Excel chart, you can see right now we're in the mode where we're going to have downward pressure on both lines, and the blue line turns up about 1240 today, and then comes back in sync at 1427, and then the green line does bottom there, 1427 to just about 1700 today. So that's also where that blue line down move bottoms. So that should be kind of the directional plan for today. Use the pH and the rainbow to time into and out of your trades around these frames. You can also refer to the Cosmonine chart for other key turning point triggers. You can see a couple of the more important ones I marked and talked about in the video from Sunday. So use the other triggers, get your trades lined up. That's the general trend picture. That's it for today. We will be back again on Tuesday and we'll pick it up from there.